Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to
Cheap
Finds
Friday.
Let's go. We've met so many of you that say that you love Cheap Finds Friday and you want us to bring it back. So guess what we're doing? We're bringing it back.
Are we?
We're bringing it back.
From the dead?
From the dead.
Straight up resurrection?
Just straight resurrection. So in today's video, we're out here in Palo Alto. We're gonna be dropping by a couple Goodwills, a couple thrift stores, kind of in the city or the neighboring cities, and we're gonna see what we can find. Palo Alto is one of the most expensive cities to live in, so we're gonna see if there's anything good in this Goodwill.
Yeah, I'm just looking forward to it. You know, different Goodwills in different locations, different cities. You never know what you're gonna find. It's all part of the
Hunt.
Okay.
Wait, should I turn the car on for AC?
Wrong mode. Sorry, it's been a while. I don't even remember how to make videos. Welcome back to a brand new video. What the hell?
First things first, we gotta strap up and get ready.
First find of the day, we have a freaking Yoshi head.
Okay.
I mean,
ooh.
Looks kind of.
Yo.
Okay. I'm not buying it, but $3. Dude, at Universal, they'll sell this to you for like 40 bucks.
Oh. Yo. My boy went to Stanford, bro.
I must have tricked everyone out thinking that I went to Stanford. No, this is cool because it looks like it's a little older. Just with like the material it's made. Could be wrong. Pretty dope.
How much?
$8.99.
Not bad. Got Stan Smiths right here. Decent condition. 18 bucks. Not too bad. Oh shoot. I got an Ao Yai here, bro. $7. Yo, I'm gonna put this on. Hold up.
Bro, that actually goes. You kind of saucy.
Dude, this is kind of lit. Hold up. Oh, it's kind of framed though.
Rate his outfit, 1 to 10. Is it a real one, or did they just throw it in like for like the costumes?
It is in the costume section. Bro, this isn't a costume. People wear that. What? This is a celebration outfit. This is not a Halloween outfit. They're probably like, if they want to be Shang-Chi this Halloween, let's put this right here.
Yo, chill.
Yo, they really put that in the costume section. That's crazy, dude. Look at that. Next to the Titanic fit. Oh my god. Damn, my boy got the Pusheen forces on. Okay. Rawr.
How much to wear this?
Dude, wear that with your fit, no shirt underneath. That's a fit.
I got the whole family.
You got the whole freaking Ni Hao Kai Lan. Bro. What are you doing if your girl wears this?
She's not my girl anymore.
No, God! Yo, what are those? Hold up.
Those babes?
What are these?
Still on the back, I don't know. No blickies.
Nublick chick. Kind of fire. What are those, a mirror? We got a lunch pail right here. This looks really new. $3. A bell. Does it work? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, that reminds me of school, bro. When the teacher used to ring this, that means be quiet. Bro, they have an Xbox 360 back here. And a PS3. And a PS2. Got the Xbox 360. This was the refresh one. PS2. PS3. Okay. Not bad. Always like checking out the glass sections. I wonder how much the Xbox is.
They have a Wii? Dude, Wii's go for money nowadays too.
Do they?
Like the old Wii's.
I don't know. How much is a PS3? Let's see. 130? 130 for the PS3? We don't even know if it works.
PlayStation controllers.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Like newer ones, aren't they? Or I don't know which
Oh, it looks pretty new. Let's check out the shoe game. Yo, they got the Roshis right there. I used to have those back in the day. I remember my mom used to bring me to the library and we would rent like movies and stuff for me.
You too?
Yeah.
Hey, do you ever go to Blockbuster?
Yes. Back in the day. I heard there's still one that's open.
In like
just one.
Washington or Oregon?
Yeah. Comment if you guys remember that era.
Half of your commenters are gonna be like, What is Blockbuster? Never heard of that.
What is a DVD? Yo, they got the Wii Fit board right there. That used to go for money back in the day.
There's 2 of them.
There's 2? Oh, wow. All right, David's gonna Google it. While he Googles it, I'm gonna show you guys the quesadilla maker. Look, they got a quesadilla maker right here. 15 bucks. Make the craziest quesadillas.
I don't know if it's brand new. It has the box, but I'm going for about 30, 40, 50, 30. Okay.
Let's see how much they're charging here. 22?
Not really worth it to flip.
Not
but
worth
if
it.
you wanted one for like your collection to play certain games.
I don't know about you guys, but that's an L system right there.
No.
Worst system that
Stop
ever
that,
exists, bro.
dude.
Worst system.
They changed the game for everyone, man. They walked so everyone else can run.
Try playing Call of Duty on the freaking Wii.
Okay,
And then the usernames,
games-
so long, so random.
Certain games sucked, but it was a W system for sure.
So far, not bad for our first store. My favorite part about this one was the glass case where we saw the PS2, PS3, Xbox 360. Usually the glass cases in Goodwill have something that's in there that's decent or worth something. That's why they're in the case. So we're gonna go ahead, go to a couple more stores. Let's go.
Can you take me home?
Yeah, why?
I don't want to do this anymore.
Why, Timmy?
Like, I know like we're bringing back Cheap Finds Friday, but don't put this in there either.
I'm not
but
even recording. I'm just holding
It's
it.
just not the same, you know. You know what makes me feel better?
What?
Just everyone commented and liked the video.
Wow, look at that bullet hole on the side of that car.
I was looking at it earlier.
So we just drove about 15 minutes into Palo Alto and now we're checking out a Goodwill boutique. I've never heard of a Goodwill boutique until today. David found it on his, what was it, like Yelp or something?
Google. Maybe you've heard of it.
Never heard of a Goodwill boutique. So they might like pick out the good stuff. I don't know. We're about to find out though. Got an LV bag here. It's $4.60. Not bad. Got some Flu Game 12s here.
Size 6.
$130?
130 though. It's taxing.
Whoa, that is wild.
You know where I would find a probably cheaper pair?
Thefixkicks.com.
Thefixkicks.com. Swipe up. $75. That's
75. Guys, they're taxing out here.
Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
Okay, that would go for like maybe. That would normally sell maybe for like 50 bucks.
40.
40 bucks.
Because these are smaller shoes. Yo, no way. This dude definitely watches Alex's videos.
Dang.
With the Mickey Mouse custom.
Okay, did he use Angelus though? Guys, they have a lot of like women's clothing here. So the only thing that I found that was pretty cool is the LV bag. The LV bag was pretty nice.
The collars. I like the collar.
Versace.
I like the collar. And I like the color.
Sheesh. Is that real Versace?
50 bucks. I don't know how to tell.
Is it Versace jeans? What's Versace jeans? I see a Warriors jersey. What player? I'm gonna say Curry. Lee. They also have the micro Gucci pouch. Can't really tell what the price is. Looks like $3.39 maybe. Ultra Boost, 35 bucks, not bad. Completely unrelated to the video, but we just got a new mic setup because I lost my old one. I don't know where it is. It'll probably show up now that I bought a new one because that's how life works. But yeah, man,
It's all part of the game, you know?
it's all part of the game.
And now you can just give me the other one when you find it.
All right, I'm done. Guys, look at this Porsche. It's beautiful. Has the green stripes. Such a nice looking car. 911R.
Sir, can you not stand so close to my car?
Oh,
Just
sorry,
waxed it.
sorry about that.
Not chill.
Look at the carbon fiber. Very nice. Right as we finished recording, homie just flexed on us. The owner of that Porsche, he came up and he was just telling us that he paid double MSRP for that car right there, which is probably like 300 or 400 grand, something insane, bro. And he was like asking me about my watch, and then I was asking him about his watch, and he just told us a whole bunch of stuff. So pretty cool. But now we're in Atherton now. Atherton's one of the most expensive cities to live in, and we are at one of their thrift, what is it called? Family thrifts? Thrift marts. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. So far it's not looking good.
We're trying.
That spot was the roughest spot out of all of the ones that we went to today. The last one was pretty good with the designer, but that one, oof, that one was not good.
So you're a materialistic kind of person then, huh?
we're looking for cool stuff.
You're right.
All right, guys, we are at Thrift Center right now. Our boy Alan recommended the spot to us. We've never been in this area, so maybe we'll find something cool, maybe not. I don't know. David's Black Air Force energy right now. I don't know if it's gonna manifest anything. We'll see.
And I'm not wearing pants.
You think these are for sale?
Yeah. They're kind of cool.
I used to love these back in the day.
The homies.
Just found 2 Wii systems over here. 2 Wii's. Don't know the price though. GameStop Xbox controller, $8. Look at that camera. Is that a camera? I don't even know. We got the Oreo Ultra Boost right here for $9.
Dude, I used to wear those all the time.
I used to love them. These were the most comfortable Ultra Boost for some reason. This colorway, most comfortable. Yo, me next, me next, me next. Take it.
I can never handle that, dude.
We got that bingo set.
So they got so many different Warrior shirts here. These are like the tees they give you when like you go to the games.
I miss going to the games.
These are like all the free. Oh, maybe someone just donated their whole like collection.
There's a bunch of them. If you see any shirts this color, most likely Warriors merch.
Yep.
At least out here. But I love how spacious this store is compared to the other stores. A lot of the thrift stores are pretty cramped and you can't really like look through everything because there's not enough room, bro. But these ones, like, we got room. This is a solid find right here. $9 for these really nice Nike pants. I have a pair actually at home. Super comfortable, got the zipper at the bottom. Nice condition, not grimy. $9, size large. Can't go wrong with that. David found these Adidas ones. They're vintage.
Yeah, they look super old. You can already tell it's like the tag. I don't know what year, but even like just feeling the material,
Just feels old.
they don't make them like this anymore.
I like the gray ones.
These are nice too. Ooh.
All $7. These ones are cool. You could just rip it off on the side.
Oh yeah,
They got
these
the
are
buttons.
The exclusive ones.
The whoopsies. All right, you guys, we didn't find much in this store, but I think that's going to wrap up this Cheap Finds Friday. If you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to smash the like button. Check out David's video, which will be linked down below in the description. And we'll see you guys next time for the next one. We're out. Peace.
See ya.